Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page auto replies and Messenger instant replies. So this is a great way to engage with visitors and provide quick responses even when you are not online. So let's get started. Just make sure to open your Facebook page first. So I'm currently onto my profile or personal profile. Then to switch, click onto your profile icon here onto the upper right corner of the screen and choose in your page. So as you can see, it is switching already. And once you're already in here, we'll have to click on professional dashboard here onto the left side. So this will give us an option. Just scroll down to go ahead and click on Meta Business Suite. So this is under platform tools. Click onto that and then just wait for this one to load. Right after, to have an access to the automated responses, click on Inbox here, and you should be able to see, or this is where you could go ahead and manage all of the messages that you receive onto your Facebook page. Right after, click on automations here onto the upper part, and there are a lot of options available. So for us to be able to go ahead and have an automated response or instant reply, click on create automation in here, and we have that one here. So this will reply with a greeting when someone messages you for the first time. Click onto that and edit automation. So as you can see, just need to toggle this on, choosing the channel. So for this one, Messenger, and right after we have the message in here. So just feel free to go ahead and update this, like for example, welcome to Pasha. And you should be able to see the preview over here. And once you're done, you'll just have to click on Save Changes. And as you can see, the changes has been applied already. You have now successfully set up Facebook page auto replies and Messenger instant reply. So once someone is reaching out onto your Messenger, they should be able to receive that messages that you have edited earlier. And if you think that this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.